Hello, everybody. My name is Mimuna Ibrahim Shuman, and I am a sustainable fashion designer from Malawi. And I'm here to show you what we learn in class. First of all, a little bit of history about myself. I am a designer from Malawi. I think I said that already. But I got to travel around and got to learn about the history behind fashion and absolutely fell in love with it and realized we can do a lot. For instance, through fashion, you have a lot of people that come to watch it. So you could easily send a message. And my message has always been sustainability is a priority for us all to survive in the next couple of years. So I am here to show you about what we learn in our classes. First of all, what is sustainable fashion? Sustainable fashion is what we as designers can do to make a difference in the world. Not just the world. We stopped with ourselves. So in our classes, we teach you very simple 6 steps about fashion. What you can do, how you can do it, and when you can do it. Okay, so where can I start? First of all, when you come to our classes, we teach you about how you feel, what senses you need. So we go outside. We enjoy the fresh air. We close our eyes. We meditate and see all the benefits that the world has to offer us. So once you're done outside, we come inside into our classroom and we do the same meditation. You close your eyes, inhale, exhale, and find out what sensations you get while you're being inside. And then we start to work. I will talk to you first about our students. Every student has a story, and every student wants to tell a story. And what better way to do it but through fashion? So we start simply by talking to the students, asking them why they're in fashion, what do they want other people to learn about fashion, and what message are they going to send to everybody around them. First step, we were outside. Second step, we were inside. Now the third step is you now have to walk around the classroom and find sustainable fabrics. What are sustainable fabrics? Sustainable fabrics are fabrics that already exist. We have them. And now we have to change them into something more dynamic. Okay? So we teach the students what good fabrics are and what bad fabrics are. So you have polyester, which is a fabric that there's nothing else you can do with it once you throw it away. And then you have fabrics like cotton and linen, just to mention a few, that yes, they can decompose, but it takes quite a few years to do so. So why are we throwing things away when we can use them again? So in our class, the students walk around and find old clothes, old fabrics, and they put them on the table. And then we have our second step. I teach them the different uses of the fabric. You have the stretch fabric for swimming costumes. You have the cotton linen fabrics for suits. I teach them everything about that, as you would learn in real fashion school. But remember, it's for children. We have to make it fun, right? So, how do I make it fun? The kids have to teach me about what they want to design or what they want to make, and then I teach them how to do so. And we simply go through first, sketching, second, selecting your colors, third, doing your measurements, fourth, we learn how to install a sewing machine, fifth, we learn about all the different feet you need for the sewing machine, and sixth, you get to start making your outfit. And of course, at the end of your classes, you will learn how to present yourself and send the message to everybody else. So stay tuned because we will break down each and every class just for you. See you soon. Mwah!